Hey everyone, it's Chris Bailey. Just want to let you know I am at my second open house of the day. I wasn't able to do a live video feed on the first one. Had so much traffic at the beginning of the open house. Couldn't get it done and stayed busy throughout the open house, so I wasn't able to do one of these. But I'm now at my second open house, which is at 484 West Beechdale in Commerce, Michigan. This home is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1,500 square feet. It is a tri-level. It has been completely updated. The home does have lake access to Fox Lake. The neighborhood community does have a small little beach area down there. Good place for you to put a kayak in the water and things like that. So let me take you through the house real quick before we get any visitors. Now I'll turn this around. Here's basically the front yard of the home. But as you come in, you see the kitchen, flooring, everything has been completely redone in here. It is an open concept here on the entry level. So we have some granite countertops. We also have some, I do believe he said these were hickory cabinets. I apologize, it slipped my mind at the moment. The backyard is large. Got a lot of side yard too. But this part of the backyard is actually fenced in, so if you have any pets or kids, that's good. Stainless steel appliances, which do stay with the home. We do have recessed lighting in here. Now this part of the house was added onto. It gives you about an additional 120 square feet, which took the laundry out of the basement and put it here on the entry level. Also gives you the additional half bath for this home, which of course is all completely updated. Check out this garage. This garage was already huge to begin with, but it's deep. It is a 2-car garage, but trust me, you can get at least 3, if not 4 cars in here. It is a big garage. By the way, that door leads to the backyard. So come back through the house. I will take you downstairs first. I forgot to turn this light on. I apologize. So down here we do have a little family room area. I do apologize, there's no recessed lighting in this area of the home and there are no lamps, so I don't have any lighting down here. And then you do have this downstairs little office space. You do have a window that you could use in case of an emergency. So in a pinch, you could turn that into a bedroom. You just have to put a wardrobe in there. Behind this door here is your utility. So we have our updated electrical. By the way, the homeowner is a licensed electrician, so all that has been nicely taken care of. And then your heating and cooling and water softener and water heater. So we go back up these steps. Kind of reminds me of the home I grew up in. Here's your completely updated bathroom, dual vanity. And then here's the shower / tub. And you have this bedroom, which is on the front. This bedroom here, which is also on the front of the home. And this bedroom here, which is the master, which is on the back of the home. And of course, this has the larger closet. So if you know anyone looking, again, this home is at 484 West Beechdale in Commerce, Michigan. I am going to be here today until 6 p.m. Feel free to stop by. Thanks. Bye.